What's up guys, iAppleTuber here, and as you can see today I've bought an item from Amazon and I will unbox it for you guys now to show you guys what's inside this box. So now let's start with the unboxing. So let's start with opening the box. And as you can see, I have bought a new microphone from the company Blue. So now let's open up the package and see what's inside the box. I'm really happy with my choice of purchase. Now let's open up the box. And let's see what's inside this bad boy. Now let's open up the box and see what's inside it. First is the owner's manual. And as you can see, the name of the microphone is Snowball. That was just an empty box. Now here's the top of the microphone, which will be used to capture your voice. Beautiful color that I have chosen. And lastly, let's see what's at the last. Again, empty box. And these are all three things which are inside the box. Now let's start with the owner's manual first and see what it mentions. So I'm guessing it's just an explanation of how to use it to record. That was it, not much to see inside that. Now let's open this box, which is most probably going to be the cables. Yes, it is the cables with the stand. So it does also come with a stand, which makes it even much more perfect and beautiful. So that's the stand. Now let's close the box and keep it aside. Now let's start with the stand, with opening up the stand and connecting it to the top of the microphone. So now let's connect this stand to the top of the microphone. And as you can see, the name of the microphone is Blue. The company name is Blue, and the name of the microphone is Snowball. And as you can see, it also extends. Very easy to connect it. Now as you can see, we are connected to the stand to the top of the microphone. Now here is the microphone with the stand, and now let's actually test it out. So let's connect it to the cable. And as you can see, this is a USB microphone. So here is a USB which connects to the laptop and to the back of the microphone. So that goes to the laptop and the other one goes to the back of the microphone. So let me go ahead and connect it to the back of the microphone. It's easy, just place it inside and there you go, connected. So now let me bring my laptop and connect it to the microphone and test it out. It's really important to test out the microphone. So here's the laptop. Now let's go ahead and connect it to the microphone. I'll be right back with you guys when I finish setting up the microphone to my laptop, and then we'll test it out. So now let's go ahead and connect the USB cable to the laptop, the microphone to the laptop, and see how to set it up. So as you can see, the red light indicates that it's connected to the laptop. Now what you have to do is go to the volume settings, recording devices, go to recording, and then you can see it says Blue Snowball. So you click on it and you set it as default. So as you can see, I've already set that up. Now to record your voice, you will need obviously a software. So the software I'm going to use is Audacity Audacity is actually a very famous software for recordings. So you click on Windows, then click on this one. If you're on Windows or if you're on Mac, it doesn't matter, it has both softwares. And now let's just wait for it to download it, and then we can install it and check our voice and see if it actually affected how we're recording before to now, how we're going to use this Blue to record our voices. So as you can see, it's finished. Now let's run it. Yes. Set the language based on your own needs. Then it's just click on next, install, and this is not going to take much time to install. So as you can see, it's already finished. Again, click next, click on finish, and then to launch up automatically. So click on OK. Once you actually launch Audacity, what you have to do is go to this primary sound capture driver and change it to the microphone. So it's Blue Snowball I'm going to click on, and then now I'm going to snap, and you're going to recognize my voice change based on this Snowball microphone which I have just purchased. Now I will snap, and as if we're doing a magic, and let's see how our recording has changed. So let's do our normal intro. What's up guys, iAppleTuber here, and today I'll do an unboxing on this microphone. So as you can see, we have actually changed the way we have recording. Now my voice is much more clear and better using this amazing microphone which I have purchased. I'm really glad by this purchase of mine. I'll place the links of the purchase in the description. It's Amazon, UK, United States and Canada. I'll place all. It cost me about 95 Canadian dollars to buy this. I'm sure it's going to be even much more cheaper in other places. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And today I'll actually place another video where I will also show the giveaway winners of the Tenno share which you guys have participated in. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and always iAppleTuber here, signing off.